Hello everyone, this is Nayan Barooah from Imperial Coaching Center, Nagaland. Today we'll be performing a small experiment on two immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquid means two liquids that does not mix with each other, and we all know that very well, that water and oil are immiscible in nature. They won't be mixing with each other at any cost. But what we are going to do is that we will be mixing these two liquids somehow. Let's see how this magic works. Alright, so we have some water here and some King's soybean oil. Alright, I'm just promoting it. Okay, so these are the two liquids and they are immiscible in nature. We'll try to mix it though. We'll try to mix it with a stirrer. I have got a spoon and let me give it a try. So here we go. So you can see I'm trying to mix it. But if you can see, the mixing is not happening. You see, the oil is at the surface and the liquid is at the bottom. The water is at the bottom. That implies that water has higher density compared to the oil here. Now what we'll be doing is that we'll be putting something inside it. I hope everybody understands this. Everybody knows this. Okay, we have got Dettol hand wash. Let's just try a little bit of Dettol hand wash inside it. Okay, it's leaking. I'm really sorry. It's looking a little gross, right? Okay, so I'm just pouring some hand wash here, and now I'll just try to mix it. Now after pouring the hand wash inside, what we are going to observe is that the two immiscible liquids are getting mixed. So as you can see, both the liquid just got mixed. Alright, so there are some properties of this Dettol hand wash. It helps both these immiscible liquids to mix with each other. The thing is that the molecule here, the molecule of this hand wash has two different parts. Alright, it has got a hydrophilic part and it has got a hydrophobic part. The hydrophilic part, this is all chemistry by the way, the hydrophilic part is something that attracts the water, that is water loving, and the tail part, the molecule has a tail as well, that is called the hydrophobic part, and it attracts the oil. So what happens finally is that it attracts both the oil and the water together, and finally the mixing is completed like this, and you can see दोनों liquid mix हो चुके हैं. Thank you so much.